Okay, I'm going to run the PnConf now. I'm having the screen recorder running as well, so the response may be a little bit sluggish. Okay, so we just click on Start. Yep, I check this option. I want a desktop launcher shortcut, and I check this option as well. I don't know what the advanced option pages are yet, so I leave it unchecked. Okay, we just ignore this screen. Just click on OK. Now, so I'm going to name this test underscore XYZ, and the unit is millimeter. I don't have a spindle yet, so I just uncheck that option. I leave every other thing at default and click on forward. Okay, so on this screen, just leave it and click forward and forward again. It takes a while to respond. Now, this is the important one. I'm using the 7I96S, so I choose this option and I accept the default firmware. Now, the address is 10, 10, 10, and 10. We need to click on the Accept Components Changes button. So it does whatever it does there to get the internal data ready. Now, so on this tab is where we configure the channel for each of the access. So channel 1, which is the X axis, and I have only a single motor, so basically I have only the X axis working, or loosely speaking working. So this is channel 1 is for the Y axis, first motor, and here I choose XY for the tandem axis, which is because on the Y axis I have 2 motors, and for the fourth channel it will be the Z axis, which I don't have a motor for, but anyhow we need to complete that. Okay, so just wait. Come on. Now, so we need to set the stepper scale. I'm not too clear on what it is just yet, but we just click on this now and just select this. We can change this later. So at the moment I would just like to show that I can talk to the motor driver, that's all. So this would go away. Yeah. Now, so we can click on this button to test, to see the motor actually running. Now, when I click on this, it greets me with several windows. I'm not sure what they all are just yet. The one that we are interested in is this main window there. Now, so we should click on Enable. I turn on the power for the motor now. So I think it's ready. So I can click on the jog button there. Yeah, and the motor is running. Now, so I click on this, it will turn in the reverse direction. Now, if I click on the run button and release it, the motor would run on its own. To stop it, just click on the run button again. So I get the X-axis motor running. So to shut this one down, to continue with the configuration, we just click on that, and they all shut down. After a little while, the forward button would enable, and we move on to the wall. Yeah, so I don't know what this one is. I just leave it. Okay, so we need to do the same thing for the Y motor. I don't have a motor for the Y axis yet, so this button will not work. Yeah, so nothing happened as expected. Yep, I skip this screen. It should come to the X-axis, the Z-axis now. Now, the same thing. Yeah, I skip this. Okay. Yeah, just say yes. Yep, so it created a shortcut for us. Launch test XYZ. So we click on this, we just say execute. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have turned off the power. Okay, so we just click on this and then that button and set home all. Then we are able to actually see the X-axis going. There, and you can see that the tune indicator actually move along as well. Yeah, and we can click on this to actually reset it. And we can move back. As you can see there is some error there. I'm not too worried about it because I know that this configuration is not correct anyhow. But this is where I get to, so I just want to document it. Thank you for watching.